Hey guys, how are you all? And I hope you all are safe at home. Last week for math, we studied about transformation, three different type of transformation: reflection, translation, and rotation. This week you're going to learn about successive transformation and combining transformation. In this video, I'm going to talk about successive transformation, the types of successive transformation. So for this video and for upcoming video, I'm going to use pink color for the first shape, blue color for the second image, and yellow color for the third image. Now what that means, you will learn gradually. So first of all, what does the term successive transformation mean? So any shape that undergoes the same transformation more than two times, we say it's successive transformation. The first type is successive translation. As you can see in this shape A, B, C, D, this shape has moved 3 squares right and 1 square up, and there is a way you can double check your work. You can check any vertex and it should follow the same rule. For example, the vertex C should have moved 3 squares right and 1 square left, 1 square up to make it C prime or C dash. And again, in the second translation, it should move 3 squares right, and 1 square up to make it C double dash or C double prime. So this is shape, and this is first image, image A, and this is image B after the second translation. The second type of transformation, successive transformation, is successive rotation, when a shape undergoes more than 2 rotation. So in this scenario, we're going to take the shape PQRS, which is a trapezoid. Now it's going to undergo a rotation. And in order to do the rotation, so it says trapezoid PQRS is rotated 180 degrees about vertex R. You know, these are the vertices and this is the vertex R, and in order to rotate it, you have to trace it first. And if you don't have tracing paper at home, don't worry, you have waxing paper, you have tissue paper, you can use it. So you are going to trace it first like this. In order to save time, I've traced it before this video. So you're going to trace it, mark all the points, and again it says 180 degree, clockwise or anti-clockwise is not mentioned. So I'm going to rotate it clockwise. So you know this is 90 degree and this is another 90, making it 180. Make sure after rotating you mark all the position of the vertices of the image and connect and label all the vertices. So now we have got this shape, which is P dash, Q dash, R, and S dash. Now since R has not changed its shape, so we are not going to rename it. Now the second transformation, the second rotation, again what you're going to do for that, it says trapezoid, and this image will be rotated 90 degree clockwise about its top vertex P dash, which is this one. So again you're going to trace it, mark all the vertices, and you're going to rotate it 90 degree clockwise, which will be like this. Then you're going to mark all the points, you're going to label and connect all the parts. So this is your final image. This was the shape, this is image A, and this is image B after successive rotations. The third scenario is successive reflection. For example, this is the original shape, and it's A, B, C, D, E, F. And this is the final image. You don't know how this shape is reflected. So obviously they are facing opposite. It must have been reflected here, then it must have been reflected here. So we know that the line of reflection should have been here. The hexagon ABCDEF is reflected in vertical line through the horizontal axis at 6. See, this is 6 in order to get this image A. And then in order to get image B, this shape must have been reflected in horizontal line through the vertical axis at 8. This is 8 in order to get the final image. So that's how you get the successive transformations. Now go and do assignment 1 and 2, and then come back and watch the next video for assignment 3 and 4.